Hello everyone, I'm Ajay, and on behalf of Magasul and Gramwani, I'm happy to present our pilot, Farm Phone. It's a hotline which connects producers to consumers directly. Before we explain our solution, here's the brief about the core problem which grapples Indian agriculture sector today. We have many farmers like Shankar who are producing valuable food products and they need ready markets for price realization. At the same time, there are consumers like Shamla who belong to low income groups but willing to pay a good amount for these products. But the connection between Shankar and Shamla are almost absent, and the COVID 19 crisis is posing several challenges in regular supply chains. Our solution, Farm Phone, relies on voice based and participatory technology called Mobile Vani to connect farmers and consumers directly. The technology is available for both feature phone and smartphone users 24/7 at free of cost. Feature phone users can just place a missed call and participate in the market. Producers can share information about the quantity, quality, and potential price of their produce, and consumers can record their demand and location. The same portal is available for the smartphone users through an Android based app. The semi automated platform will extract necessary details, match demand and supply, and prompt transport facility providers to serve producers and consumers. As part of the pilot, we are rolling out IVR based platform to onboard 800 plus farmers in Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu. The farmers can use this platform and ask queries, receive critical local updates, seek expert assistance, and share their produce details. The system will soon be introduced to consumers in a few residential apartments in Chennai too. To our knowledge, we will be the first in India to provide an interactive, scalable, expert moderated community market for farmers and end consumers. Farm Phone is better placed to resolve the dominant problems of Indian agriculture. It not only connects producers to consumers directly, the same platform can provide farm advisory and training so that it is possible to adapt the production system as per changing market conditions. Moreover, it is driven by Magasul, which works closely with 15 farmers in the region, specifically to roll out unique innovations in the farm sector. Also, it banks on the user-centric, simple and participatory tech stack of Mobile Vani. Technology is operational since the last 5 to 7 years, and it has been serving a user base of 3 million. It's driven by the renowned organization Gramwani. Thus, anyone with access to phone can participate in secure benefits of Farm Phone. The AI ML tools embedded in Farm Phone make it scalable and easily replicable. We foresee the rollout and scaling up plan as indicated in this slide. We're already testing the model with a set of producers. By July 2021, we plan to provide market linkages for non-perishable produce. Subsequently, we'll set up a system for perishable produce and scale up the entire model within a time span of 12 months. The prize money will add to our working capital and help leverage our strengths, namely strong farmer networks, affordable and inclusive technology, and multidisciplinary domain expertise, which are all necessary to make our initiatives successful. Thus, success in Asia Agritech Challenge will give us some much needed recognition as well as an opportunity to achieve the objectives like higher income for farmers, including women and low income groups, and better value to consumers. We thank you for this opportunity and hope for the best.